Sairam Vidya.
Sairam, Auntie.
So let me go to the second bhajan. Vidya, is my Shruti too loud?
I can actually not hear it. So can I put the Shruti on in my side too?
No, I can't hear. First, let me go. I'll go over the lyrics once, and then
Okay.
I will sing the whole thing for the recording, and then we'll go through repeating. Okay?
Sure.
Thank you. Vishnu Mohini, Sai Narayani, Kshirabdi Tanaye, Sai Narayani, Lakshmi Manorama, Kanchana Bharini, Kamala Kamini, Sai Narayani, Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini. Vishnu Mohini, Sai Narayani, Vishnu Mohini, Sai Narayani, Kshirabdi Tanaye, Sai Narayani, Kshirabdi Tanaye, Sai Narayani, Lakshmi Manorama, Kanchana Bharini, Lakshmi Manorama, Kanchana Bharini, Kamala Kamini, Sai Narayani, Kamala Kamini, Sai Narayani, Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini, Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini, Vishnu Mohini, Sai Narayani. Here in this lyrics, it says after the second line, going back to the beginning, but the way I heard it, I learnt it, there is no going back to Vishnu Mohini. Right, Paddy? That's how we remember.
Yeah, yes, based on what Baluna used to, I've heard
Yeah.
his singing. Yes, you're right.
So majority of the bhajans that I'm singing today, I used to live in South Bend, Indiana, which was like a couple of hours from Chicago. So I had plenty of opportunities to go to Chicago Center bhajans, and there are two great singers there. I mean, there are a lot of good singers there, mainly Mrs. Mani Mazumdar. I learned a lot of bhajans from her. And then Dr. Rambala is also there, and I learned a lot of bhajans from him too. And the first version, whichever version you hear, that stays with you. And I have heard little variations of these bhajans. I apologize, but this is what I learned, and this is what I'm going to be able to teach today. Because, like I said, whichever version, first version you hear, that gets stuck in our head. So, Vidya, do you already know this bhajan?
No, Auntie, I don't.
Oh, you don't? Okay. So you will learn our version then.
Yes.
If somebody corrects you, tell them that you learned it in some, blame it on me. Okay. So I'm going to sing. Let's break the line so that it will be easy for everybody to pick up. Okay.
Okay.
We're going to sing in G sharp also, this one also today. Vishnu Mohini,
Vishnu Mohini,
Sai Narayani,
Sai Narayani,
Vishnu Mohini, Sai Narayani,
Vishnu Mohini, Sai Narayani.
Beautiful. Kshirabdi Tanaye,
क्षीराब्दी तनये
क्षीराब्दी
क्षीराब्दी
तनये
तनये
साई नारायणी
साई नारायणी
साई नारायणी
साई नारायणी
क्षीराब्दी तनये साई नारायणी
क्षीराब्दी तनये साई नारायणी.
We'll work on that Narayani next time, okay? I'm sure you'll get it. Because I didn't have to say anything, you're already making faces, so I know that you're thinking. Lakshmi Manorama
लक्ष्मी मनोरमा
Kanchana Bharini
कांचन बरिणी
Kanchana
कांचन
Kanchana
कांचन
Bharini
भरिणी
Lakshmi Manorama
लक्ष्मी मनोरमा
Kanchana Bharini
कांचन बरिणी.
So I'm going to sing that whole line. That Kanchana starting note, see if you can connect to Lakshmi Manorama, okay? Lakshmi Manorama Kanchana Bharini
लक्ष्मी मनोरमा कांचन बरिणी कांचन बरिणी.
Beautiful. Can you sing that line again, please?
लक्ष्मी मनोरमा कांचन बरिणी.
See, you got it. Kamala Kamini
कमला कामिनी कमला कामिनी
Kamal Kanchana Bharini
कमला कामिनी
Sai Narayani
साई नारायणी
Kamala Kamini Sai Narayani
कमला कामिनी साई नारायणी.
Beautiful. Sukha Sampada Sau Sukha
सुख संपद.
Yeah, got it. You're right. Sukha Sampada Sau
सुख संपद सो
Bhagya Pradayini
भाग्य प्रदायिनी.
Sukha Sampada Sau
सुख संपद सो
Bhagya Pradayini.
भाग्य प्रदायिनी.
So that Saubhagya Pradayini, Saubhagya is one word. So even though we are I broke it for the learning purposes. If we can remember to sing Saubhagya, keep that word together, if possible. But if you run out of air, we have to break. So one more time, this time, each line once, or you want me to still break it?
I can try each line once.
Once? Okay. Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
विष्णु मोहिनी साई नारायणी
Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai Narayani
Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai Narayani
Sai Narayani. So think of it. Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai
Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai
Sai Narayani.
Sai Narayani.
Better. Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai Narayani.
Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai Narayani. I think there is some other Narayani that's kind of fusing with this Narayani.
That's okay, but I am very confident you'll get it because you're making faces like I do. Ask Paddy, he'll tell you if automatically the face happens if it is not in the so we can't help it. I get it. So I'm sure you'll work on it. Sai.
Sai.
If you have that Sai correct note, Sai Nam.
Sai Narayani.
That Sai Na. Then you got the rest of it will go by itself. Can you sing that line or you want me to sing that one more time?
One more time.
Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai Narayani
Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai Narayani
Sai Nam.
Sai Narayani.
There. Again, sing that Sai Narayani few times, then you'll get it.
Sai Narayani Sai Narayani
Sai Narayani
Sai Narayani
Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai Narayani
Kshiradhi Tanaye Sai Narayani.
You got it. Lakshmi Manorama Kanchana Bharini
Lakshmi
Lakshmi
Manorama Kanchana Bharini
Lakshmi Manorama Kanchana Bharini
Lakshmi Manorama Kanchana Bharini
Kamala Kamini Sai Narayani
Kamala Kamini Sai Narayani
Kamala Kamini Sai Narayani
Kamala Kamini Sai Narayani.
Beautiful. Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini
Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini.
See, run out of air, right? So
Yeah.
breathe before Sau. Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini
Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini.
So simple beat. So I'm going to sing. Should we try second speed?
Sure.
You're ready?
I think so.
Okay. Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
साई नारायणी
क्षीराब्धितनये साई नारायणी
लक्ष्मी मनोरमा कांचन भरिणी
लक्ष्मी मनोरम कांचन भरिणी
कमला कामिनी साई नारायणी
कमला कामिनी साई नारायणी
सुख संपद सौभाग्य प्रदायिनी
सुख संपद सौभाग्य प्रदायिनी.
So if you if you run out of air after Saubhagya also you can take it, so Pradayini will be strong enough. Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini.
सुख संपद सौभाग्य प्रदायिनी.
You have a beautiful voice and you sang it very well. Again, I'm going to make the same comment. I don't think I have the guts to learn a bhajan that I don't know and then sing it just like that. So kudos to you guys, and I appreciate all the effort.
Thank you so much for breaking it up and teaching it.
So now let me
making it
hear
so
you.
easy for me.
Oh, good. Can you sing it and I'll repeat after you? Each line only once.
I can try. Vishnu Mohini.
Vishnu
Mohini. Sai Narayani.
Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
Kshirabditanaye Sai Narayani.
Kshirabditanaye Sai Narayani
Lakshmi Manorama Kanchana Bharini.
Lakshmi Manorama Kanchana Bharini
Kamala Kamini Sai Narayani.
Kamala Kamini Sai Narayani
Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini.
Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini
Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini.
So that's the first version, okay? There is a little variation you can do. That's what I'm trying to say. Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini. That's what we did. Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini.
Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini.
Beautifully done. See, lot of people are appreciating your singing. So great job. So again, Houston Center, I'm not sure if this is going to be Vidya's bhajan. So anybody else want to try? Vidya, do you have any questions? Please feel free.
No, Auntie, I don't.
Okay. Anybody else wants to try? I saw
I can-
Sripriya. Sripriya should try this.
I'm just making a bold attempt to try this bhajan. It's such a beautiful bhajan. I'm hearing it for the first time, but it's just really touched my heart, this bhajan. Thank you so
Okay.
much for teaching, Auntie. And
Can
I
you
want to
sing?
follow. No, I want to follow you just one
Follow?
time each line so that
Okay.
others can get an opportunity.
Okay. So we are singing in G sharp. If you can have Shruti going there,
Okay.
it may. Yeah. Let me know when you are ready, okay?
Yeah, sure. G sharp, right?
Yes.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah, I'm ready, Auntie.
Okay. Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
Sai Narayani.
Sai Narayani
Beautiful. Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
Vishnu Mohini Sai Narayani
Shirabdi Tanaye
Shirabdi Tanaye
Sai Narayani
Sai Narayani
Shirabdi Tanaye Sai Narayani.
Shirabdi Tanaye Sai Narayani
Beautiful. Lakshmi Manoramam
Lakshmi Manorama
Kanchana Bharini.
Kanchana Bharini
So that starting Kanchana Ka note should be a little bit higher, okay? Lakshmi Manorama Kanchana Bharini.
Lakshmi Manorama Kanchana Bharini
Beautiful. Kamala Kamini.
Kamala Kamini
Sai Narayani.
Sai Narayani
Kamala Kamini Sai Narayani.
Kamala Kamini Sai Narayani
Sukha Sampada Sau
Sukha Sampada Sau
Bhagya Pradayini.
Bhagya Pradayini
Bhagya Prada.
Bhagya Pradayini
Bhagya Pradayini.
Bhagya Pradayini
Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini.
Sukha Sampada Saubhagya Pradayini.
Very good, very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you
Saida.
for participating and helping. Appreciate it.